If you want to sync a folder to Google Drive on Windows, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. It's a simple way to make sure your important files, photos, and documents are automatically backed up and available across your devices. So, if you've been wondering how to keep a folder updated in Google Drive without manually uploading files every time, you're in the right place. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, you'll need to install and open Google Drive for Desktop on your Windows computer. If you don't already have it, download it from Google and install it like any other app. Once it's installed, open it and sign in using the Google account where you want your folder to sync. This is the account that will store your files in Google Drive, so make sure it's the correct one. After you sign in, look down at the System tray in the bottom right corner of your screen. You should see the Google Drive icon there. If you don't see it right away, click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Once you find the Drive icon, click it to open the Google Drive menu. From here, click the gear icon in the top corner, then select Preferences. This opens the Settings window where you can control what gets synced to Google Drive. Now look for the section called My Computer. This is where you can connect folders from your Windows PC to Google Drive. Click Add Folder to choose the folder you want to sync. A file browser window will appear, so navigate to the folder on your computer that you want to back up or keep in sync. This could be a work folder, a photo folder, a project folder, or any other important location on your PC. Select the folder, then click Open or Choose Folder, depending on your system. Next, Google Drive will ask how you want to handle that folder. Make sure you choose Sync with Google Drive. This option tells Google Drive to keep the folder updated in the cloud, so any changes you make on your computer will be reflected in Drive. That means if you add a file, edit a document, or remove something from that folder, the changes will sync automatically. After selecting Sync with Google Drive, click Done. You may then need to click Save to confirm your settings. Once that's finished, Google Drive will begin syncing the folder in the background. Depending on the size of the folder and the number of files inside it, the first sync may take a little time. You can always check the Drive icon to see the sync status and make sure everything is uploading properly. If you want to confirm that it worked, open Google Drive in your browser and look for the folder or the files you just added. You should see them appearing there once the sync completes. This is one of the easiest ways to keep a Windows folder protected and accessible from anywhere. It's especially useful if you work on multiple devices, want an extra backup, or need to share files quickly with others. And that's it. You've now learned how to sync a folder to Google Drive in Windows. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.